Ina, come. Whose jacket is that?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. That's for your Bobby.
What? Milk, get over here! Yeah, you quick. Get out of here. No more candy for you. Little dork. Playing with the jacket. He loves his jacket. Who's in the bathroom? Okay, let's close that. Okay, so we are in Lehigh. Yeah. And we're just about to get ready to go out. Let's take a tour. This is the upstairs. Ew. Say hi.
Hi.
Come on. This is downstairs kitchen. Come on, Ina. Ina. Come on.
Can I videotape of you?
Ew.
Please.
Fine. Are you gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Okay. Go in the kitchen and eat. Hold it nicely. People don't like you when it's busy. What do you want to eat?
I didn't eat nothing. I don't want to eat nothing.
Look, Ida.
What? What?
Oh my gosh. They have so much cake here. Look.
What?
And they have more right there.
Why?
I don't know.
Here, but
Be quiet.
let's go.
Hey!